Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. This video is Profit, Loss and Discount Part 4, and in this video we will solve some of the questions based on false weight. Now the questions based on false weight is an important problem type that you would encounter in profit and loss, and it generally involves the use of false scale. Generally, in false scale, the actual value of the weight is lower than the true one, that is, the one the seller is trying to sell. This enables the shopkeeper to have a profit by selling a lesser quantity than disclosed by him. So suppose a shopkeeper said that he sold an almond for ₹1,000 for 1 kilo, saying that he is selling it in the cost price, but in reality he is only giving the customer 800 grams. Then in this case, the true weight would be 1 kilo. That is, the weight the shopkeeper is telling that he is selling, and false weight is 800 grams. That is, the actual weight that is the shopkeeper is selling. Error is true weight minus false weight. In this case, it would be 1000 minus 800, which is equals to 200. And the gain percentage would be error divided by false weight into 100%. This would be the shopkeeper's gain percent. Note, this would be the gain percent if the shopkeeper says that he is selling the article at cost price but uses the false weight. Next formula is that suppose a shopkeeper sells his good at A% loss on cost price but uses B grams of weight instead of C grams, then his percentage of profit or loss is equals to or is given by the formula 100 minus A into C by B minus 100%. The sign of this value will determine whether there is a profit or loss. Next formula states that if a dealer sells his good at A% profit or loss on cost price and uses B% less weight, then his profit or loss percentage is given by the formula B plus minus A, depending upon whether he is selling it in profit or loss on cost price, divided by 100 minus B into 100%. And according to the sign of this, there would be a profit or loss percent. Now let us solve the following question. Here a dishonest dealer sells his good at 10% loss on cost price and uses 30% less weight. So we have to find his profit or loss percent. It would be given by 100 minus A, that is 10, divided by 100 minus B, which is 30, into 100 minus 100%. This is equals to, our A is 10, our B is 30, so we will have 90 divided by 70 into 100 minus 100. This is equals to 900 minus 700 divided by 7, which is equals to 200 by 7%. We can also solve this by using the above formula. Here our B is 30. There would be a minus since there is a loss, so minus our A is 10 divided by 100 minus B. This is 100 minus 30 into 100%, which is equals to 20 by 70 into 100%, which is equals to 200 by 7%. So we can solve it by using either of the two formula. The answer is the profit of 28.4 by 7%.